This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the worksheet and the exact columns you want displayed. Make sure the first column is X and the second is Y. Once the column plot appears, click the graph window to activate it. From here, open the plot details dialog using double-click on the layer or right-click and choose Details. This gets you directly to the controls where color and style live, so you can modify them precisely. With plot details open, select the specific bar plot in the left list. This targets only that series. Then, under the symbol /fill tab, select fill to choose a solid color, gradient, or pattern. You can enter RGB values or pick from the palette. Use edge or border to change outlines and thickness. Once done, click Apply to preview. If you have multiple series, use Apply to all or Repeat per series. Make sure to save the theme if you want repeatable styling. To finish, inspect the layer at full size and export, or save the origin project so your color settings persist. If colors don't update, first confirm you have the correct layer and plot selected. Color changes only apply to the active selection. If an override or theme blocks changes, reset the layer or remove overrides from the Format menu, then reapply your color choice. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle Auto Color off, then manually set RGB values. This resolves palette conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.